Home Assistant versus Homey Pro, which smart home platform is better. Choosing the right smart home platform can transform your home automation experience without complexity. We'll explore Home Assistant's open source flexibility and Homey Pro's user-friendly ecosystem. Home Assistant and Homey Pro are two popular smart home platforms. Home Assistant offers extensive customization through open source software, while Homey Pro focuses on ease of use with a polished, integrated system. The core difference lies in customization versus simplicity. Home Assistant is an open-source smart home platform designed for maximum flexibility and control. It runs on local hardware like a Raspberry Pi or dedicated servers, connecting a wide range of devices through integrations and custom automations. Users can tailor their setup extensively using YAML configurations or a visual editor. Strengths include privacy, no reliance on cloud services, and support for hundreds of device types and protocols. However, it requires technical knowledge to set up and maintain, which might be challenging for beginners. Ideal users are tech-savvy individuals or enthusiasts who want full control over their smart home environment and prioritize data privacy. Home Assistant's active community continuously develops new integrations, ensuring broad compatibility and innovation. Homey Pro is a commercial smart home hub that emphasizes user-friendly setup and seamless device management. It supports multiple protocols like Zigbee, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, allowing users to control diverse devices from a single app. Homey Pro's interface is intuitive, featuring drag-and-drop automation flows that simplify creating routines without coding. Its strengths lie in ease of use, strong multi-protocol support, and cloud connectivity for remote control. Limitations include dependency on cloud services for some features and less flexibility for deep customization compared to open-source platforms. Homey Pro suits users seeking a plug-and-play experience with broad device compatibility and straightforward automation without the need for technical expertise. It's perfect for homeowners who want reliable smart home control with minimal setup effort. Comparing Home Assistant and Homey Pro highlights a trade-off between customization and simplicity. Home Assistant excels in privacy and flexibility, ideal for tech-savvy users who want to build complex automations and control everything locally. In contrast, Homey Pro offers a polished, easy-to-use experience with strong multi-protocol support, perfect for users who prefer quick setup and cloud-based convenience. For example, a user wanting granular control over every device and automation detail will benefit from Home Assistant. Meanwhile, a homeowner looking for reliable, straightforward smart home management without coding will find Homey Pro more suitable. Both platforms support a wide range of devices, but Home Assistant demands more technical involvement, while Homey Pro prioritizes user-friendly design and simplicity. Choose Home Assistant if you want full customization, local control, and are comfortable with technical setup and maintenance. Opt for Homey Pro if you prefer an intuitive, plug-and-play smart home hub with broad device support and easy automation. Both platforms are excellent but cater to different user needs and expertise levels. Pick the one that fits your smart home vision best.